Darius.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you laughing at?
You're like some old white dude with glasses and and gray hair.
Oh, wow. Yo, who the hell is this?
Wait, don't interact with him yet. First of all, take some medicine, take some meds.
Okay.
Like open the boxes. This is like starter loot. That's very
Yeah.
important. So now to him. This is Kelvin.
Hello, Kelvin.
Yeah, he's a bit of a dumbass.
I can see that. Is he deaf?
Yeah, from the crash. Oh, pencil. Like we can give him tasks, and he's basically our slave,
Ah, okay.
our dumb stupid slave, because the programming is off. All right. Over there's another chest, another box.
Okay, some more medicine.
All right. I have played this game, like, for a few hours, and
Yeah.
I always take one base spot. That's I think it's pretty good. This just watch Kelvin like sometimes.
Okay, make sure he doesn't get stuck.
No, sometimes.
I am back.
Ah, all right.
Oh,
Yeah.
hello. I don't think you two need this anymore. What? Milwaukee fucking drill? It's techie?
Yeah, you gotta.
What? As if he's sitting on the front and I've got to sit on the back. What a bastard.
Yeah. Yeah, you sat down too late.
I'll tell you if anything chases us.
All right. What? Let me just. The controls are really wanky.
Please do not kill us.
No, you don't die when you're in the golf carts.
You're just indestructible.
But yeah. Yeah, we should drive away from that fire. Don't wanna fight cannibals now.
Does it have fuel, the golf cart, or is it just
Yeah,
infinite?
No, it has a battery.
Okay.
But it should get us to the flashlight. To the flashlight and to the base.
Yeah, so we can't abuse it.
Yeah. That's alright. driving snake lines.
Yeah, it's actually really nice, the game is.
Yeah.
Looks really nice.
Over there. Wait,
I can see really nice deer.
Huh?
I can see deer.
Whoops up.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, but here's a fire. Oh, no way.
Is he pointing at? Oh, there's a cannibal. Hello.
Take the X.
Whoa.
Take the X. Take the X.
I take axe. Modern axe collected.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna steal everything quickly.
I didn't know it was here. Well.
These cannibals
Alright,
fucking throwing
take the
shit at us.
energy, take this, take this, take that,
Oh shit, I just picked up a radio.
take that. Yeah, we can keep it. Grenade. Wait, take. No, wait.
Note who. Okay. Who is Jack Holt? What is he doing here? Puffin didn't have any friends, Chuck. Is he alright?
Huh? No.
Okay, let me put this modern axe in number 1.
Yeah, it's.
Okay, there we go. Whoa. Okay.
It's like way slower at swinging, but probably does way more damage.
There's another cannibal. Oh, there's 2.
Yeah. If we just ignore them, they ignore us.
Come on, dickface, get on. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
he can tank that. Oh.
Uh-oh. Roadblock up ahead.
Oh my god. As you can see, it's pretty hard to navigate.
Yeah. Oh. Hello. Oh! Oh! Jesus Christ! Why did he do that?
He freed us. He wanted to help us. Alright. This is two. Yeah, I was trying something. Oh my god. There's too many
There's a
bushes.
skunk.
I can't see. I don't know where to go. Ah, there. There's the way. There's indeed the way. I think it's right up here. Yep, it's here. So you can stay in. I just. Alright. Where are you? Ah, he took the loot.
I'm here. I'm grabbing stuff.
I'll just get back in.
There we go. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Oh no. Oh. Okay.
Told you these things are a bit different. And now we have the flashlight.
Yes.
Then-
Find Team B 1 out of 3.
Yep. Get back in. No, I just need to. Oh. He didn't get it.
Jason!
No!
Oh, what?
Oh, help!
Okay.
Help!
Bye-bye, Jason.
Help!
I'm getting on the back. Crazy.
Now where's Kelvin?
Oh, he's here in this bush. Hello, Kelvin. Would you like to take a seat next to me?
Ah.
Why have you got bloody knees?
No. Huh? Why
He's got
yeah,
he's got bloody knees.
knees?
Ah! What? I see into the earth.
Yeah, I think we've turned the wrong way. Wait, let me just get it right again. Trust your
I'm
driver.
looking- Okay.
Just trust him.
Ah!
I got everything under control. See? I got it. Shit.
Okay.
There's the camp. Yeah, no, we gotta loot that. Oh, batteries. Very important.
Didn't we loot this before? Uh-oh, I just accidentally ate something. I hope
no,
that was not poisonous.
Yeah, you would notice that. This could be possible that we... Ah, yes, we
I'm
did.
taking this with us.
We did loot this before, but there was still more stuff. Alright. Get in, boys.
Bow, 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 bow.
Bow, ba, ba, dow, bow, bam, ba, bam, bam.
Okay, you sit on the back then, mate. I'll just... No, Jason.
Trust me, trust my driving skills. I don't know what I'm doing. I just keep hitting deer. Oh shit! Fuck, I can't see anything. Help.
Hello.
Yeah, you know you can put that away, right?
Wait, put what away? Flashlight. I don't know how to put my flashlight away.
Oh,
Just,
a rabbit, alright.
just with me
I take it, I take it. We take those. Just get in. Then we still need to wait for Kelvin. And he's in. Alright. Why did you leave the car?
I accidentally jumped out to try and get in the front, and then Kelvin followed me. On the plus side, though, you ran over a deer and I skinned it alive and took all its meat.
Well, that's something. Oh shit.
Well, I'm never ordering Uber again.
You can tell that.
Oh!
Ladies and gentlemen, we're stuck. Wait, just
Oh,
sit
no.
in the car. Sit in the car. Alright, hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna sit in the car. Okay. What's happening?
And we're right back up.
I think we should let Calvin drive.
No. Alright. Downhill we go.
Uh-oh, this looks like a river. Jason!
Because it is. It is a river.
Well, but we just drive up it because we don't give a fuck.
Physics don't exist in this world. No
Epic
way.
golf cart.
Oh, just say in the car. With my pure human strength, I pushed this cart with two grown men 2 meters away. Alright, I drive while I'm not looking.
Have you not been doing that this entire time?
Do you feel safe?
Uh-oh.
Help!
What?
Push the cart.
Calvin! Those incredible physics.
Yeah. Obviously.
Calvin, go man. He's rapid.
Oh my god. It's like a pixel that's getting stuck on everything.
I'm never getting in a car with you ever.
You can trust me.
Oh my god.
It's alright. I can drive upwards, upside down. I can't. Do you just want to walk?
Do you want... Should I try driving?
No,
Oh, actually,
no.
it's dark now. We're not gonna be able to see shit.
No, I know the way. Just follow me. Just follow me.
Okay. Wow, this torch is not the greatest.
Yeah, but it's for caving. It's really amazing for caves. But it's still
Okay,
better
okay.
than the lighter.
Where are we going?
Just trust me. Trust me.
Okay.
I know the way.
You know the way.
I know the way.
Do we have to worry about Calvin, or
No.
will he just kind of like find his way?
He can find his way.
Oh, okay. This guy can't hear. He's probably got like a concussion, and we're just like leaving him. We're just like, yeah, fuck it. You just
Yeah,
find your way.
he has 6 cents.
Oh, okay.
He knows what to do. I mean, he can still read, so that's the plus. Alright, this is the spot.
For what?
Huh?
The spot for what? What are we doing?
Our base.
Oh, okay.
No.
I cannot see a thing.
We need sticks. Sticks.
Okay. Small log cabin, tree platform, tree shelter.
Alright. I got it. We got a tent. Just go sleep.
Okay. I save and I will sleep.
Flashback.
Oh, and it's a little raft.
Yeah, Yeah, come with me. Come with me. It's important.
Oh, I need water. Hang on.
Just pop yourself an energy drink.
Is it full damage?
Huh?
Is the full damage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
Noted.
first of all, we go here for some loot. Oh, grenades. Take the thing, the pot.
I have too many pots.
Oh, you already have one.
I have too many radios.
Wait, let me take it. So, just.
I have C4 bricks. Wow.
Just watch. Anyway.
I cannot believe you tried to do that to me.
You know I wouldn't.
I know you would.
Really, that's how little faith you have in me.
Would you like a solar panel?
We can
Would
use
you
those.
like a solar panel?
We can use those later.
Ow. You know I did a large amount of my health.
Oh, yeah. Come with me. We need to swim.
Okay. Now, how many birds?
Let's climb up.
Oh, I am inside of you.
Yeah. And
Oh. Oh no. Well, he's dead.
you think so?
Oh. And both of this is great for us.
Yeah.
Don't do it. I'll have a Mexican standoff right here.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm almost dead.
Okay, I now have a gun. How many bullets do I have though?
Huh? You don't
Just
see.
rotate my
You
inventory.
don't see how many bullets you have.
I just have...
You just have bullets. Come.
Is it infinite then or...?
No.
Okay.
But ammunition for guns is sparingly in this game. Oh, a shark!
Whoa! Quickly, quickly.
Run as fast as you can. Can't catch me.
Fuck the shark. As soon as I get to land, I'm gonna fucking put 12 bullets in him.
I think you only have 9 per magazine.
Yo, Jason.
Wait, I'm gonna show you something really funny.
Oh,
No, don't shoot,
why would you do
shoot.
that to him?
Don't shoot. Because if he dies, we get locked out of an ending.
No.
No, Kelvin!
Kelvin, man.
Wait. Give me a second. I'm just gonna... I'll be right back.
Okay. Work harder, Kelvin. Chop faster.
No. Stop.
Okay, I stop.
We can build our own thing.
Oh, okay.
But
Kelvin, you gave me a thumbs up for no reason.
like Let's cut this one down.
Jason, hey, ow.
Oh.
Watch out. We can finish the base first if you want. I'm not.
I mean, I would say let's explore a bit.
Okay, let me just eat something because I am like starving.
Because I want the shovel. I want because if you get the shovel, you get the shotgun.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait. I wanna wait. How many logs do we have? Should be.
Boy. So all I want is to be able to carry 3 logs.
Alright, what do you wanna do? Cave or something else?
Whatever.
Right, let's go into a cave. Oh, map. Wait. I know a cave where we get the diving tool, which we need later on. Yeah, let's just do that one.
Okay, that's unnecessary.
What do you mean?
All those bats.
Nah. And they hurt me.
Oh, okay. There's one down. Uh-oh.
Just do the small ones.
Oh. There's no one down.
Let me just. Yes. Oh shit! Wait!
Oh!
You don't need your gun. You don't need the gun.
Okay.
Just poke it. Poke it.
Okay.
Oh shit!
There's loads behind you. This kind of seems like a time for gun.
Yeah, right now it does. Right now it really does.
I'm fucking peppering him with arrows.
Wait, try to hold them off.
I
Try to
have
hold
no
them
more
off.
arrows left.
Try to hold them off.
Okay. Okay,
Great.
bastard. Ah! I have not did it.
And I think the music is copyright free.
I'd assume so, since they know how many YouTubers and stuff play the game.
Wait, I have to heal myself. Oh, I'm deader than dead. Wait, normally there's like a thing here of one of these small human-sized things, but doesn't seem like it.
Oh.
And
No
there's the
person.
stun
Stun gun.
gun. The Tesseract from Marvel.